When I was choosing a future life partner, I never thought I had to see, you know, like, wants to do crazy adventures for their birthday, but choices were made. Anyway, let's do this.
Climb a volcano. One thing I didn't anticipate is my fear of heights. This is fucking scary as shitballs. Physically, okay. Mentally, not so good. I feel like I'm gonna fall off a cliff any moment. How you feeling, honestly?
Pooped. It's like really hard.
Like how hard?
Really hard.
Morning, crew. Well, after a few days of Bali's rapid weight loss program, aka Bali Belly.
Some people would think don't record this, but you know, warts and all video. How you feeling?
Kill me now.
There you go. Not well.
We are off on a waterfall adventure. Hey, how are you, mate?
How are you doing?
This is the guy. I seen you on YouTube the other day.
Thank you so much.
We just getting ready to go for a jump in a taxi and go do some waterfalls. Yeah.
So, excuse me, the only thing you have to pay later there is for the entrance fee, okay?
In the what?
In the waterfall, the entrance fee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
okay.
Yeah.
It's cost you about 150.
150.
Yeah, for both of you.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
You just give the money to the driver and the driver will help you.
Yeah, sweet.
Where's your wife?
She's just right here. You want us to walk down? Walk?
No, the car is there.
Oh, just there. Oh, there he is.
Yeah. Okay, have a nice day, yeah?
Yeah, you too, man.
Where are you going tomorrow?
Probably resting and recovering.
If you need something, you just come to our office.
Yeah, we'll do.
Thank you. The car is there.
Yeah, yeah.
lovely.
Same
Great.
driver.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Take care. Bye.
See ya. Yeah, so here's the guy we got the tour from. Really good guy. He's done the GILIS, GILI, what do you call it? Secret GILIs and the waterfalls.
And he was very good. We had to reschedule twice because of someone's illness.
Yeah, I did mention the lovely Bali Belly.
Yes, yes.
Coming down with a fast case of how to lose weight in Bali in 5 days. Anyway, time to jump in a little Toyota, go check out some waterfalls. Let's go. It's a brand new car. Luxury. Hey, look, he's cleaned out all your sand from the other day. Yeah, he's cleaned out all the sand from the other day, hey?
Okay.
All right. It's a beautiful day.
Yes.
How you feeling?
Anyone that gets travel sickness, you know, take a quell before that ride to the waterfalls, because oh my god.
So we jumped in a little, was it Toyota Astra with, I think it's Lombok's version of the Stig, I think. Currently on lap record pace. We've stopped to grab some fuel, maybe some racing slick tyres, and I think the lap record to do a whole lap of Lombok is something like 1 day 36 minutes or something like that. I think we're on track to do it in 5 minutes. See the monkeys over there? So jumped in the reasonably priced car and we're on lap record to do Lombok in 30 minutes, I reckon. Extremely fast.
Yes.
Carly's feeling rather pale.
That was, yeah, I don't...
Coca-Cola. This will help. Make it feel better. Yeah. Lombok's version of the Stig. He's just missing his helmet. That was quick. Racing slicks definitely helped. Stop for some fuel. Mount Rizani is somewhere over that way, somewhere. Over there. Anyway, let's go check out the waterfalls.
Okay, we're going down a dirt path. Not sure what to expect. Lovely view though. Potential rain. Potential rain.
This is cool.
Yeah, it's not too hot. Oh yes. Avoid. Oh my goodness. Passing.
Closer to the monkeys.
Anyone knows me from the Orbit videos, don't particularly like monkeys. So, oh god, they're coming for me. Anyway, oh, there's more. It's turning into a horror walk, a monkey horror walk. Passing more. There they are. Good God. Don't make eye contact. Oh God. Who needs Orbit monkey forest? You can just come here, see them everywhere. Much cheaper. GoPro tips from the professional to the amateur. Any other tips for being a successful YouTuber?
I don't have any. No. You've got to be successful to give tips.
Press record.
Probably,
tip number
probably
one.
Need to have me in the shot. Like
yes.
I wasn't even in the shot.
Oh dear. Welcome to Amateur Hour, featuring us. More pretty views. Don't wear full bathers underneath, followed by clothes on top, and then be in a car with little air conditioning, have no water, and have extreme travel sickness on the way. Don't do that. It's not a fun trip. 2 hours, 2.5 hours of, you know, living hell really. Anyway, feeling better now. Just not thinking about the trip back. 10 minutes in, still pretty. Still very pretty. All of it pretty. Any updates?
Magic, eh?
So you can have a guide take you down. We sort of were muscled into that, I would say. You don't have to though, you can just do it yourself. Or you can even just get a motorbike to take you down as well. But we're walking it. Very easy track, like compared to what we've done. This is like a Sunday stroll in the park. No steps, flat. no trip hazards. Easy. And update on the scenery. Still pretty. All of the pretties in the jungle. Personal Kali health update for everyone concerned. I think I'm just about, oh wow, hang on, where are we? Wow, pretty. I think I'm just about recovered from what could only be described as Bali's car rally, roller coaster dream world ride of your life. That's all I'd call it. You know, there's hell and then there was that ride. I would prefer the first option. But anyway, let's move on. Recovered and about to get to, oh, I can see the water. I can see it. It's very pretty. It looks magical. Looks like the best waterfall that we've been to. The car ride from hell was worth it. Oh wow. Let me show you. Wow.
Pretty, eh?
Oh my goodness. Things never look as good on a screen as in real life. But like that is just magical. Magical. How exciting.
It's cool, huh? Wicked.
Very pretty.
Doesn't look anything on camera like it does out there, I reckon.
Exactly what I just said.
Yeah.
So pretty. Alright, shall we go?
Yeah, another spot here.
Oh yep, another spot. Okay. Going to the second location. Very pretty. Let's have a little look. Let's go over here. Look at that. Very cool. I don't think the GoPro is doing it justice. Down we go, my nemesis in Bali, steps. Don't want to film too much because I have to concentrate on not stacking it. Just when you thought it was safe, the monkeys up there. It's okay. Just threw a whole heap of stuff at me. I told you, they're after me. Everyone thinks they're cute little creatures. No. They bite, they scratch, they steal your stuff. Every time I see one, they eyeball me. Anyway, we survived, and here we are. Arriving at the pretty. We made it. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Whoa, that's like that baby. Short, opinion.
Nothing's going to do it justice.
That is big.
As some of you are probably aware, nothing on a GoPro does anything justice at all. But that is freaking cool.
Going down the waterfall. Need a bit of TLC music in the background for this. It's windy. It's wild. There it is. About as close as I want to get. Oh my God.
how you cool off. Oh, how was that? Fun? Is that cool?
That was amazing.
Back to the stairs. Gangs are fun, not. That was an absolutely good exercise, he says. Not really good for the hips. That was the first waterfall. That's probably easily the most impressive waterfall I've seen. And no doubt the GoPro won't do shit. I think we've said it multiple times, but as people that do GoPro footage are well aware, nothing shows up as good as it actually does in real life. We stayed there for about 10 minutes and got some photos and stuff. Carly's coming up. How was that? Hard? Climb?
It's only a few stairs. Bloody hell. I'm unfit.
How'd you find the waterfall? Good?
Definitely worth it.
Definitely worth it?
Just puffing at the moment.
Definitely worth it, but puffing. Anyway, off to number 2. Let's go. So this kind of reminds me of...
Like that?
Huh? Kalinking Beach, yeah.
Horror. The horror.
The horror of Kalinking Beach. Oh. Steep steps. Whew. You can do it. Oh, this is where they do that slide through, yeah?
Yeah. Good fun.
Yeah, looks like fun. It's a bridge with water going under it
This bridge
and over it.
quite strong. Very strong.
It'd want to be strong because it's got about
Because we have
an extra.
earthquake 2019.
It'd want to be strong because it's got to carry an extra 120 kgs after all the food. Mind you, the Bali belly's probably lost about 20 kilos. It's got water underneath it and underneath it, flowing across the top of the bridge and under it. That's pretty wicked. Feels really wrong to stand on the metal grate, so. Oh yeah, there's the tubes. Yeah, the rafting tubes. It's actually overwhelming how magic this place is. Like, absolutely breathtakingly amazing. Like, just blows you away. No words, really. Absolutely no words. If you ever get a chance, just come and do this. If you just come to Lombok and come for a wander, I could spend freaking days in here. Like, it's incredible. This is just not going to show anything of what it's like. But it's freaking epic. Come and check it out. Come and check this shit out. This is epic fun.
Just when you thought it couldn't get any better. Instagram versus reality moment. To show you the Instagram, this is the reality.
Oh, yeah.
That is like, so pretty. So pretty.
This is amazing. That was very refreshing. How was that?
Really good.
Really good. Magic. It is though. Refreshing. So pretty. That is freaking massive. I'm like 6'3". I can only just reach the top of it. I have zero idea after the earthquake where it came from. No idea. It must have rolled down some cliffs or something. But that's a big ass bundi just to fall out of the sky. And they have no idea where it came from to end up there. Whew, these stairs. Oh man. Just do some waterfalls, they said. It'll be fun, they said. My hips are killing me. Oh. Oh. Not really. Yeah. Oh, I can do, probably overdoing it, but I can do it with my right leg. But it's getting tired. Oh, fuck. I'm okay.
You want to buy to the car, please?
No, thank you. Hello. Okay. Well, that was epic, epic, epic. Just so good. Get a chance, go and check those waterfalls out. I think it was 150,000. Oh no, it wasn't. It was 70. I can't remember how much it was. But bloody worth it. Go and check it out. Go and check out the waterfalls of Lombok. Absolutely incredible. Big. Don't bother if you've got hip bursitis. Oh man. First point of call when I get back, straight back to a doctor, I think. Absolutely in agony right now. Oh, hurts so bad. So much pain. Anyway, enough of my whinging and bitching about my hips. One day they'll feel better, but not going to stop doing this shit just because the hips hurt. It's just incredible. Like, these are small little waterfalls. I don't know whether you can see that, but that's a small little. They don't even bother mentioning that sort of shit, and that's incredible. Look at it. Doesn't even rate a mention. It's absolutely amazing. The big ones, definitely go and do it. That's it for this one. See you in the next one. Good bloody morning, Ocean Art crew. Found somewhere to stay. Deep in the jungle of NANGGU. I think that's how you pronounce it. But we're in NANGGU. Got some accommodation. Beautiful spot. Today we're off to some islands off the coast of Lombok. I'm sure most of you have probably heard of them. The GILIS. We're off there. But secret GILIS, not the usual GILIS. So we got to find a scooter, get a boat. It's early. It's about 6 a.m. Oh geez, look at this. Amazing. It's about 6 a.m. Need to figure out how to get out of here. 6 a.m. in the morning, go find a scooter, then we're off to those secret GILI islands, which probably not many of you have heard of. Most people have been to GILIS, not many people have been to the secret GILIS. Off there. Let's go. Got the flippers.
We got the flippers.
Helps if you take your glasses off. Do I look good?
Yeah.
Does that look good?
He's giving me a thumbs up.
Oh, look, how good you look. Okay. We've made it to the port and we found some boats. I'll walk out there somewhere, hey? Try not to lose my phone. Off to the island. Low tide apparently. Let's go. Thank you.
So we did a little wadey. Out we went.
Up the front of it, maybe?
And we're going out
That way somewhere.
that way somewhere. We are off to... Are we letting people know? Are we letting people know where we're going?
Hmm?
Are we letting people know where we're going?
Secret. Can't tell 'em.
Secret? Oh, we're not telling. It's a secret. But we're off. So, secret.
Secret GILIS.
Oh, so we are saying.
It's kind of secret. Otherwise
Not
it would
really
be called,
secret?
Otherwise it would be called secret.
Seen a little mechanical issues just quietly, but anyway, trust the process, trust the process.
Bye bye Lombok. For the day. That's a fishing hut for net fishing. Where they sleep. Where they set their nets. We're off to the island. How cool. We're here, we're on an island. Welcome to GILI NANGGU, Haban.
Yay!
We made it.
I'm so excited for snorkeling. Oh, we've got no sticker or anything. Honestly,
Time to get wet.
I would just, yes. I would just get a bit of, yes. Yes.
So we're currently on NANGGU. GILI NANGGU. Alright, let's put our face in the water and see what we can find, eh? So this is island number 1 of the secret GILIS, apparently. But not very secret. I'm not sure if all of Bali is here, but a good 95% of it, I reckon, is probably here. We managed to get some rubbish, pick some rubbish up out of the water, plenty of plastic bottles like this, they're everywhere. Plastic bags, it's only so much you can fit in your pockets while you're out there. But good snorkeling spot. Just very crowded. I don't know if you can see all the people out there, but there's people everywhere. Secret GILIS? The secret is out, unfortunately, apparently. Anyway, it was good fun. Awesome. We'll keep motoring on. We've got another island to go and visit. I think it's maybe that one. There's another island there. You could almost swim to that. But the current's pretty strong between the islands, so we probably won't. Anyway, that was fun. Good for a snorkel, good for a bit of a look. Going to do a lap of the island, see what we can find, and we'll see you over the next island.
We are off and leaving. Boots for days. I think we could call this video secret, not so secret GILIS, personally. Ready?
Ooh. Ready to go for a snorkel?
Here we go.
You ready? Oh shit, that was sharp. Sharp. Ow.
Watch your feet.
Oh, those corals are so sharp. There was nobody here earlier. Now everyone's here. It's packed. Just like the other secret GILI. Not so secret. And notice the mask change. I've ended up with the child's mask because Carly found it leaky. So she's got mine. I'm feeling quite ripped off right now. I bet you're feeling fantastic. Lucky for some, I'll take the child mask. Oh, ow! I'm digging into my head. Let's go!
Okay, second island. Forgotten the name again. SUDAK. That was actually my favourite for snorkeling. Favourite, I loved it. Maybe because I had a mask that didn't leak so I could actually see. That might be why I loved it. Brendan took the ultimate sacrifice and took the leaky mask.
Took the Charles mask.
Yes. Anyway, that one was really good. Very windy. Extremely windy. Probably can't tell. Maybe you can't really hear me. But we're on to the final one, which is just like a little chill spot. Had some lunch here. They were doing a very suspicious looking buffet. We said no. Yeah, last one. Last one.
Last island, GILI, KEDIS, I think you said. The name, KEDIS. GILI, KEDIS. Nice little spot. You could walk around this little baby. Sounds alright. I need some Japanese flip-flops. Safety boots. Looks like more of a relaxing sort of an island. We'll find some shade, have a drink.
Lunch.
Get Carly on the swing.
Oh.
No? On the swing?
On the swing.
The swings. There's some kiddie swings here, so we'll get that happening. There's a few people out snorkeling. Maybe it's alright. There's a few people snorkeling on the other side there. Anyway, we'll have a drink. Last one, GILI KEDIS. He's bigger than my hand by a long way. Like just next to the beach. Big ass starfish. Well, that's it from GILI KEDIS. I don't know whether you can even see or hear us because it's windy as hell. Last island. Look how big it is. It's tiny. Goes from there to there. Tiny little island. Good fun. We didn't go for a snorkel on this one. It's just getting a bit too windy. Couldn't even fly the drone really because look how windy it is. The beard's going everywhere. That's the last one. Oh, bait, fish jumping. Something's chasing them. There's so many people out fishing. It's just driving me nuts not going for a fish. There's a guy just here going for a fish. There's some more guys over this one and over here somewhere. All going for a fish, driving me nuts. Anyway, this is the last one for the 3 GILIs, the secret GILIs. At GILI KEDIS, last one, that's it there. Not so secret.
Not so secret. The secret's out, people. The secret's out. So, still a good day, but expect people. Lots.
Yep, gangs of people. Gangs and gangs of people. Still awesome. Come for a bit of a cruise. We just got a boat guy. I think he's somewhere out there. Over there somewhere. We just got a boat guy. Brought us over. We did the 3 islands. Pretty cool day. Great snorkeling. We went for a snorkel off of that one. I can't remember what that one was called. And there's another one way over there somewhere. Good snorkeling. We're just checking out the tide pools around here. Heaps of big starfish and stuff. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's it for this one. Off to Lombok to check out Rijani. Not hiking up that one. It's too big. Definitely.
We've learned our lesson. One only.
One's enough. Still haven't recovered from the last one. Anyway, that's it for this one. G'day Ocean Art crew. We are currently just driven from a boat from over there, that's Lombok, onto GILI Air? GILI Air.
GILI Air.
So we're currently on GILI Air. Look how terrible it is. It is terrible. Shit house. You'd hate it. Absolutely hate it.
Don't come.
Don't come. Please don't send any more sun cream or anything. Anyway, what were your thoughts on Lombok? What do you reckon?
Very, very big place. I think really good for adventure. So we stayed in Singigi, and lots of travelling. So I think if we stayed again, probably break it up a bit and do like north and south, so we weren't in the car so much. But definitely like it good if, you know, a little bit like Ubud, like, oh,
sorry, fish.
Yeah. Definitely good like to do adventure stuff, waterfalls, check out beaches, check out villages. Didn't love it as much as I thought we would, to be honest. Like, I was really excited for Lombok.
Yep.
But you were sick for a lot of it as well.
I did get the Jenny Craig Bali Belly weight loss program.
You did.
Paid hefty price for that. I was quite ill.
Yeah, so that took out a fair chunk, and I think they're really struggling after COVID. I think COVID knocked them around a lot. So there's a lot of abandoned hotels, shops,
abandoned villas. Yeah.
People are really struggling over there. So it's nice to go over there and spend money, but probably wouldn't do it again. Probably the only thing we didn't do was the big Mount. Which one is
Mount
it?
Rinjani.
Yeah.
But we did do Mount Batur, so we do have excuses. And my hips are still playing up terribly.
Yes.
So,
and we need to be much fitter for that one. much fitter.
Rinjani, if you're looking at doing it, I think it's like 4 days and 3 nights or something like that, sleeping on the ground in freezing cold tents.
Yeah.
That sounds extreme.
Yeah.
Next year, maybe.
No,
maybe.
I'm done.
Done with the mountain hikes. Anyway, so we're over on Gili Air. Lombok was definitely, it's very picturesque. I don't know whether you can see it very well in the, it's over there, that's what it is, that's Lombok.
Yeah.
You probably can't see it very well. It was definitely extremely busy. That's the first thing I noticed when I got to Gili Air, was how peaceful and quiet it was versus Lombok. Like, it's just seemed full on, like very full on.
We like quiet places, you know, we don't like lots of traffic. We're happy to walk or ride places, where Lombok you really had to get a taxi for everywhere pretty much.
Or a scooter, but...
Or a scooter.
Yeah, whatever you want.
We ended up doing the scooter, but yeah, so just very different places.
Different places.
Yeah.
But we did do a couple of things there. We did the waterfalls. The waterfalls were...
Loved the waterfalls.
Next level.
Yeah, best waterfalls I've done by far.
Easily the
really
best
good.
waterfalls. Not that much of a hike, not that much of a challenge. Definitely doable. So if you're going to go over to Lombok, check out the waterfalls for sure.
Yeah.
There is heaps to do on Lombok. Maybe it's just because we were ill. I was ill.
Not feeling great. Secret GILIS, I
wouldn't bother.
I think Gili Air is its own secret GILIS. There's plenty of places you can come and snorkel. We found it really tourism and overpopulated, and people everywhere around you. So.
I think one of the little mini GILIs, we couldn't even get a spot to sit. Like, we had to sit on the ground. There was that many people on it. So the secret GILIs, not so secret. If you're going to do it, just go to the normal GILIs. Like, this is just this. Just snorkel here.
Yeah.
It's magnificent. There's turtles, all the cool stuff here. Anyway, that's it from Lombok. Any last thoughts?
No.
That's it? Done.
Done. See ya.
Hoofing it. Back with the feet and the suitcases in tow. We did it. Made it to Gili Air.
Made it. It's very hot.
Very hot. Look at the water.
You know, but decisions were made. We carry on. Onwards we go.
What a pain in the ass. I don't know how I'm going to get that thing from up there. Someone's chucked some fishing line in front of it and it's all tangled up. Fucking props. Oh, that's hectic. Yes. Hectic. How was that? Too soon.
Into the pool, into the room.
Good fish? Tuna? Okay, get some dinner. What are you? Hey, you can do it! Up there! Whoa! This looks like no road. Wow. A different world in behind all the main parts of civilization. How are you doing there, Hubba? Check this out. Check it out. How's that change? That is so far down. Done the second bit, wasn't too bad. People are walking it, but I think it's more fun to ride.